Hello everybody, my name is Aone Ditirwa. I'm a Botswana girl of 15 years. I stand in 1.66 meters and I'm still growing. I want to be a model because it's something I love doing. It's a passion. I enjoy doing it. I feel I'm good at it. People have told me I'm good at it, and I hope you believe so too. I feel I've got the natural attributes of a model. I have a tall frame, long legs, good looks, and a great personality. I want to go to IMTA so I can meet new people, so I can reach my full potential, so I can put Botswana on the map, so I can live my dream. So please make my dream come true by going to www.gemvote.com and clicking on the vote icon to make my dream come true. Thank you.